Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about the topic that how to handle criticism at work. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management and general management as well. Whenever we are working in any organization, whenever we are working in any office, so we have to face criticism. Normally, the front facing jobs where you have to deal with customer and where you have to talk with different types of stakeholders, front facing jobs are always having pressure of criticism. Let's just start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's just start, friend. How to handle criticism at work? First of all, we have to understand that what is criticism. Friend, criticism means generally the criticism means that if criticism is constructive, that means someone is criticizing you so that you can improve yourself. It is good. By itself, criticism is not a bad thing. Many times it happens that generally in offices or in professional life, criticism generally used as a blame game. Honestly saying to you that generally negative criticism, that means that you are someone is hiding his lacking his his information, and he try to blame on you. So there are two types of criticism. Positive criticism means that someone is criticizing you so that you can improve yourself. Negative criticism means that someone is criticizing you so that they can put the blame from their side to on your side. This is another type of criticism. Now friend, the question here that how you can handle the criticism if you are working in any organization. First of all, control your reaction. For example, if you are a project manager and someone is criticizing you that you are not managing the timelines, you are not managing the team, for example, that you are not meeting the deadlines, etc., etc. So someone is criticizing you. So first of all, the most important thing that you must have to control your emotions, your reaction. Your language should be normal. You should have to behave normal first of all, because this is very important, friend. Remember that whenever you are working in any organization, this is a general or common thing that you have to face the criticism. Then the next thing, try not to take it personally. Like, do not take things as personally means that do not think that you are basically blaming. Obviously they are blaming the organization, they are blaming the company. So don't take the things as personal. Process the criticism. Process the criticism means, for example, whoever is criticizing you, try to analyze his criticism. Maybe if you process the criticism, maybe you can find something positive in it, like something through which you can improve yourself, through you can improve the process, through which you can improve the things. So always remember that criticism doesn't mean that you always take it negatively or personally. You should have to try to learn from the criticism as well. Give yourself some grace as well. That means, friend, if you are making some mistakes, so try to learn from the mistakes as well. Remember, friend, that always human makes mistakes. It's a common thing. Everyone is doing the mistakes. If something bad happens from you, if you have done some mistakes, so try to learn from the mistakes as well. Show appreciation. If someone is basically criticizing you, and you think that the criticism is positive and you can learn from it, so try to appreciate the person, try to appreciate the thing that he is highlighting your mistakes. Because see, friend, when you realize your mistakes, so obviously you can try to avoid those mistakes. Show humility. Humility means that, friend, if someone is criticizing you, so your ego will come in front of him. Like, do not bring your ego. Like, if the criticism is positive, so try to learn from it. If the criticism is negative, so you should try to avoid it and try to respond to it with a positive way. But do not bring your ego in front of them. Do not bring the ego between the things. Okay, so this is very important. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.